everyone. Today we will go through a program to generate random CBR value, and our range is from 70 to 98, and obviously CBR value will be integer value. So let's copy it, Control C to copy it, then Control V to paste it, and commenting out the entire program description, make it in the multiple line. Let's start writing program. We first import the random module, then we will create a class. The class name will be CBR, class name will be CBR, and within the CBR class we will define a constructor, that is underscore init, and the constructor will take instance, that is self, and take two limits. One is lower and another one is upper limit. And in the constructor we have to bind self dot lower with lower, and self dot upper equals to upper. Then we have to define a method. Say the name of the method is CBR generator, and this will take self as an instance, and within that we have to generate the random number. Say that then random number is CBR, random number is CBR, will be random dot random, call it, then multiply this with the self dot upper minus self dot lower, and make it within a round bracket, and plus it with the self dot lower, and will return the CBR value. This is the two methods, one is constructor and another one is CBR generator. And outside of this class, first create an object. Our object will be, say the object will be CBR value, and it will take the the object will be the instance of CBR class, and we will pass values. Our lower limit is 17, upper limit is 98, and then CBR value dot we will call CBR generator, this function, this method, and store this value in, say, output, and lastly we have to print the output value, the random CBR value equal to, outside of the quotation give a comma and write output. So this is the program. Let's Control S for save it and Control F5 to generate the program. We can see that our random CBR value is 89.61, but the value is little bit higher, lot of decimals. So what we can do, we can round it, say round the output. Now save it, again run it. If we run, we can see that our CBR value is 83. Again run, Control F5, we can see that our CBR value is 1. So the CBR value will generate within 70 to 98 using this formula. We using the random module and create a class named CBR. Within the class we create a constructor and create a method named CBR generator, and using the formulas to generate the random numbers we will return the CBR value, and later CBR underscore value will be a object of CBR class, and within that we pass 70 and 98, the upper, lower and upper limit value as arguments, and lastly store the value lastly the CBR underscore value object will call the function, will call the method and store the value and round it up, and later output is displayed over here. Hopefully you enjoy it, and thank you for watching the video.